Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Monirujjaman, Tripoli student of Ranada Prasad Shah University. My ID is 1920023. My presentation topic is
Scalar quantity and vector quantity.
start my presentation right now.
Physical quantities. The observable and measurable quantities are called physical quantities. Types of physical quantities: scalar quantities and vector quantities. A scalar is a physical quantity that has only a magnitude. Example: mass, length, time, temperature, volume, density. Properties of scalar product. The scalar product is commutative. A vector dot b vector equal to ab cos theta. B vector dot a vector equal to ba cos theta. That means a vector dot b vector equal to b vector dot a vector. Second properties of scalar product. The scalar product is distributive over addition. A vector dot b vector plus c vector equal to a vector dot b vector plus a vector dot c vector. Third properties of scalar product. The scalar product of two perpendicular vector is 0. A vector dot b vector equal to ab cos 90 degree. That means a vector dot b vector equal to 0. Four properties of scalar product. The scalar product of two parallel vector is maximum positive. A vector dot b vector equal to ab cos 0 degree. That means a vector dot b vector equal to ab. A vector is a physical quantity that has both a magnitude and a direction. Example: position, displacement, velocity, acceleration, momentum, force. Different types of vectors such as equal vector, negative vector, zero vector, polar vector, axial vector, coaxial vector, etc. Equal vector: such vector whose magnitude and direction is same as that of magnitude and direction of a given position vector is called equal to the position vector. Negative vectors. Two antiparallel vectors are said to be negative vectors if they have some magnitude. This is the example. Zero vector. Such vectors whose magnitude is 0 and which has no direction or which may have all direction is called null vector. Polar vectors. Vectors having straight line effects are called polar vectors. Examples: displacement, velocity, acceleration, force. Axial vectors. Vectors having rotational effects are called axial vectors. Example: angular momentum, angular velocity, angular acceleration, torque, etc. Co-initial vectors. Two or more vectors are said to be co-initial vectors if they have common initial point. This is the figure of example. Thank you.